Could this be the biggest unboxing I did on Beard Mail? Yeah, I think so. Hey, what's up, my bearded brothers, my brethren to the beard? It is I, the Bearded Jester, coming at you live with another unboxing. I'm gonna be honest with my bearded brothers, this is probably the most excited I've been in a long time when it comes to unboxing. Because I literally have no idea what's in this box. But when I saw this box, I was like, oh hell yeah. So what company is this from, Jester? Bam! Bearded Gents! This is a company I've been watching on Instagram for a long time, man. I love their logo. I love their videos on their Instagram. The photography, the pictures are awesome. The way they do their videos is very professional looking. And I also found out really soon that they're amazingly great with their customer service, communication, and communicating with the bearded brothers out there in the community. Let me stop yapping and open this right now. Oh my God, I'm super excited. I wish I had a knife with me. How are you from New York and you don't have a knife with you? I know, it caught me sleeping. But I'm opening this right up in real time. Ah, damn it! Ah! All right, calm down, weirdo. Calm down. Ah, oh yeah, I opened it. Oh my God. Woo! I'm excited for this. Oh wow, I gotta show this first before any product. Bam! Bearded Gents official t-shirt. And I can tell you right now, this you can tell when a t-shirt is premium, when it's high quality right here. And I can tell you right now, this is not gonna shrink and make it look like this. This is a t-shirt I'm definitely gonna be wearing on the regular. Back it has their awesome website as well as a message. That is awesome, man. No, I'm not a schmedium. See, large, no schmedium. You know what, I'm gonna put this piece on right now. Oh yeah, striptease from Beard Jester. Woo! Wait, look at that logo. I love that logo. I'm gonna be up in the clubs like, yo, what up, baby? Listen. I don't know if you know it. I don't know if it's obvious. I don't know if it's obvious. I'm a bearded gent, baby. Sorry, honey, I was joking. I just did it for the video. I'm a bearded gent. Easy. Oh my goodness, this is like an endless box of goodies. Oh, awesome. This is actually my first pin I got from a company. This is awesome. I love it, man. Like I said, little things like this go a long way. Love it. I'm gonna be rocking this pin right now. Reppin' Bearded Gents with a pin. All right, what else do we have here? Bam! Awesome sticker. I love stickers with a passion. I'm planning to make our own collage poster of different companies, and this is definitely gonna be one of the first ones up front. Awesome eye-catching business card. A great logo, just simple and sweet. Very appreciate those little simple logos like that. As well as all their information in the back of the card. And I love how it has like rounded edges. It's kind of like, it's not your traditional business card, which I like. Oh, we're not done. Woo! Ooh, we got Mr. Cool. Let me shake this up. Twisting. Ooh, that smells smooth. I'm not sure of the scent profile just yet. I'm gonna have to do my research on this oil. Like I said, it's an unboxing that I didn't tell him to send me a specific thing. I find this interesting. I haven't yet used an oil that has this product in it. Jamaican black castor oil. I don't know if the regular castor oil is different from the Jamaican castor oil. The Rastaman. But it has Jamaican black castor oil, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, and as well as essential oils. All natural, baby. Oh yeah, there's more. Woo-wee! Bam! The El Caballero! I'm actually super excited to have this in my hands right now because from what I understand, this is their newest scent that is out, and I've been hearing nothing but positive reviews already. It literally just came out. Look at that. Beautiful, clean looking logo. It feels like an oil resistant logo as well. I love the black and white theme, straight to the point, pretty sweet and just straight there. Great carrier oils. I'm noticing that he uses a lot of essential oils. I don't see any type of fragrance oils listed on here, which is cool. And smell. Oh my God, that smells manly. Oh, I know for a damn well fact that I'm going to enjoy this up in my beard. One of those scents where you're looking forward to putting it on in the morning. I can tell right off the bat. I'm looking forward for this review. I think I might actually dress up in a suit and put a cigar in my mouth for this awesome review. Oh, like I said, there's more. Woo! Another nice one. Bam! Butt pirate. I mean, butt pirate. God. Night pirate. And right off the bat, like, their bottle is actually, it goes from like a blue, and like, I don't know if it's the liquid or the bottle, but it's like goes from blue to like almost like a yellowish tint on top. It's very, very, very interesting. I have to inbox them about this bottle design. I'm really, really liking it. From what I've heard, that this is like their nighttime beard oil. It helps you with the sleep and everything like that. Let's twist and sniff. Definitely smells therapeutic. I'm liking these scents a lot so far. I really, really am. I'm looking forward to putting this up in the beard. Looks like this only has two main ingredients, which is hemp seed oil, one of my favorite oils, as well as jojoba oil and essential oil blend. Like I've been saying, there's more. Bam! They're world famous bars. 100% natural beard and face soaps. Here's their activated charcoal bar soap. This company, Bearded Gents, is actually in the running for the best beard soap bar out there. So if you follow Faithfully Bearded, make sure that you go to his website, which will be down below. And this company is in the running for the best beard soap out there. Like I said, if you check him out on Instagram, you can see how he uses this awesome product, the activated charcoal, as well as their awesome coffee bars. You gotta check out this coffee bar. I wanna know what's the big deal about these coffee bars. Oh wow, this is awesome. This is their coffee bar right here. And as you can see, it actually has coffee beans inside there. And I'm just rubbing it right now, and it's like you could feel the nourishment within this bar. I'm just excited to see their activated charcoal bar as well. This should be very, very interesting on how this makes my skin feel. I've never used this type of product on my face or on my beard as well, and I'm looking forward for this. I can't wait to go on the adventure of Bearded Gents and try out all their products. Oh, but that's not it. Wait. Oh, crap. That is just it. Oh, man. Oh, sorry, honey. But my bearded brothers, my brothers in the beard. That was my unboxing of this awesome company, Bearded Gents. You should definitely check them out on Instagram. They have an extremely active page on Instagram. Check them up on their website as well. I'm gonna be testing out this product. This is not a review of the product itself. This is just a review of the awesome unboxing, the awesome presentation from the awesome company. And like I said, they have t-shirts, they have bar soaps, they have oils, they have balms. And from what I understand, they also are working on a butter. Like always, my bearded brothers, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, give me a thumbs up, and follow me on Instagram. I'm out of here, guys.